Hello guys, this video is another life hack that you can use if your airline starts leaking. So I have an example here, like the small airlines. So this is the airline that started leaking because it was touching some metal, and then over time, I think this truck is 2016, so from 2016 until now 2024 it was getting this scores, and there's a hole. It started leaking air. So in order to fix this, you will need the connector. So I'll show you. This is for interaxle lock, and it goes right there. That airline locks the interaxle, comes like right here, and it was touching his hoses here, started leaking air. My interaxle lock wasn't working, so just cut those lines, and you need to buy a connector like this. You just cut from the middle and you just connect from both sides. That's it. Same hack will work for your engine fan. If it fails, or if it's gonna stay like on all the time, the truck fan is controlled by air. So see this air line, it goes to your fan, which turns on and off the fan. So it gets like touched to this place and you start leaking the air. Same procedure, just buy one of these. This is like a quick connection. Just cut them, connect two pieces. That's it. I just put this one extra so it was touching this holes, and then when it was like shaking, it was damaging my quick connector. So this one is the one that was damaged, and this one I installed the second one. And I've been driving this, I think one year now. It's been working perfect. This one you can buy any like truck stop, truck repair shop, Volvo dealership, any dealerships. So yeah, and get a couple of feet get a couple of feet of this airlines just in case, so you can fix your air issues later. Good luck, guys.